Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's Collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 2003 Hyderabad BU condition 100. 72 Mumbai 50 paise 100. Nehru Mumbai BU condition 1 rupee 100. Indira Gandhi Mumbai BU condition ghost image for 200. Asian Games BU Mumbai 200. 87 Mumbai 100. 90 Mumbai 50. Commonwealth Games BU Hyderabad 200. 86 Mumbai 100. 76 Mumbai 100. Louis Perley Mumbai BU condition 100. Ambedkar Mumbai BU 100. Gandhi 50 paise UNC Mumbai 200. Kolkata UNC 200. 85 86 set 1 rupees Mumbai 200. Louis Valley Hyderabad Mint BU 100. Arbindo Mumbai Mint BU 300. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU 300. Supreme Court Noida UNC 300. 150 years post BU early strike. See, all the details are clear, legends are clear. Kolkata Mint 500. Cellular Jail Hyderabad Mint UNC 400. World Food Day Mumbai Mint UNC 200. 83 Mumbai BU condition for 200. 2002 Kolkata Mint. This is a die card error. You can see the die card here. Kolkata Mint only for 200. 89 Mumbai 100. 74 Mumbai 75 Mumbai 50 paise 100 rupees each. 200 set. Jawaharlal Nehru BU Hyderabad 300. Youth Year Kolkata BU 500. Maharana Pratap Hyderabad BU condition, but this is the error coin. I'll show you. This is the card error. You can see here only for 300. Arbindo Kolkata Mint BU D Lion 500. It's a D lion variety. It's in the sleeves. You can see the lion. This is a D Lion. Small Farmer Hyderabad Mint UNC 500. Deshbandhu Noida UNC B Lion for 500. Lion variety. Small Farmer Mumbai BU 300. Quit India Movement BU Mumbai 300. Shivaji Maharaj BU Mumbai 300. Subhash Chandra Bose Hyderabad Mint AUNC 500. Mahatma Gandhi Kolkata Mint UNC 300. This is 1 rupee. And Mumbai 300. 300 rupees each. Tukaram Noida BU 400. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU 200. Happy Child, Hyderabad Mint, BU 700. Save for Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC 800. Food and Work, Mumbai, UNC, BU 300. Food and Shelter, Mumbai, UNC 300. Save for Development, Mumbai, BU 400. Food and Work, Hyderabad Mint, BU 600. Happy Child, Kolkata Mint, UNC 200. Rural Woman, Kolkata Mint, UNC 200. Equality Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC 300. Jawaharlal Nehru, Hindi Legend, Mumbai Mint 100. Rural Woman, Kolkata Mint 300. BU Condition. International Year of the Family, UNC, Mumbai Mint 300. Sant Dhaneshwar, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. This is a very scarce coin. Tourism Year, BU, Mumbai Mint 400. Rural Woman, Hyderabad Mint, BU 500. Subhash Chandra Bose, BU, Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, 800. Fisheries, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Kolkata Mint, BU, Rainfed Farming 400. Mother Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC 1200. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, very scarce coin, 500. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, BU 1 rupee 600. Food and Environment, Mumbai Mint, BU 400. Aurobindo, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. 82 Kolkata Mint, BU 25 paise, very scarce coin, it's like a rare coin. Quarter rupee 54 Kolkata Mint, UNC 500. Half rupee 54 Kolkata Mint, UNC 1000. 54, one more is there, AUNC, but this is for 500. Some 25 paise set. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, extra fine. Forestry, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine. And World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine. These 3 coins for only 500. This set is for 500 rupees. Otherwise, see here, see 300 rupees each. This coin becomes a 900. So half of the almost half of the price you are getting. 500 rupees, all 3. Cellular Jet, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. ILO, Noida Mint, BU 1200. Lal Bahadur Shastri, BU, Kolkata Mint 400. Sant Tukaram, Hyderabad Mint, BU 400. Mahatma Basveshwar, BU, first strike 500. Food and Environment, Hyderabad Mint, BU 500. This is a die cap error coin. This is Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, Jawaharlal Nehru. You can see the error here. You can see this error, like off center die cap, you can call. Only for 800. You can see. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint. This is a error coin. You can see here, clip error. This side here this is a clip error here. UNC condition for 1000 rupees error coin. This is Kolkata Mint Food for Future. This is a early strike. See, the face is printed. This is called early strike because you can see all the clarity, everything is clear, details are clear, face clear. Rare coin only for 1400. Otherwise this comes always flat. United Nation Mumbai Mint Fat Lion Mule variety. You see, only for 700. Food and Environment Noida Mint BU condition, very scarce coin, only for 800. World Food Day Mumbai Mint BU condition, 700. There is one set here, either Noida Mint Shivaji Maharaj. This is a sharp edge variety. You can see. And one, this 2 rupees is there, 1992 Kolkata Mint, first strike. I'll say early strike only. You can see. See the hexagon, sharp hexagon, early strike. You can see. This is both the coin for 600 rupees. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition, 300. Food and Work Kolkata Mint BU condition, 600. FAO Noida Mint UNC condition, 800. See the clear lion. Water for Life Mumbai Mint UNC condition. See the mint mark. Very rarely you get to see the mint mark in this Mumbai Mint. 700. Small Farmers rare coin. This is Kolkata Mint UNC condition, only for 1400. This is BU condition. Uniface 1 rupee. Uniface is a rare coin. This is that big one with the wheat ka that Bali bees, that one. This is only for 1600. BU condition. $1950 Mumbai Mint BU condition, 2000. First War of Independence. This is a mule coin. 4 bags. You can check this 4 bags are here. This is a 4 bags mule coin. Mumbai Mint. Rare coin. See this here, 4 bags. Here this is the 4 bags. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for 2000. Extra fine condition, but no dent or damage is there. You can check. 93 Parliamentary UNC condition, 800. 93 Parliamentary BU condition, 1200. Agri Expo Kolkata Mint UNC condition, clear lion. You can see the lion with the die crack. Here there is one die crack is here, long die crack like this here, only for 1800. UNC condition Mother's Health. This is a off center coin. You can see this. This is the off center. See this. Hyderabad Mint, it is rare. Plus off center, only for 3500 rupees. So UNC condition. Arbindo. This is a Calcutta Mint. Sharp edge variety, you can see, only for 500 rupees. Sharp edge plus D lion, you can see D lion here. This is a lion variety. This is a D lion, only for 500 rupees. And I have other one. This is a copper nickel uniface 2 rupees coin. See this, first strike plus uniface. Mild, you can see that Lucky is also there, mild Lucky. See, you can see there lion, and 2 also you can see here. See the edge, sharp edge for first strike. And there is die crack also. See here the die crack, here to here one die crack is there. 1 second, I just zoom it. See here the die crack, here one die crack from here to here, and here one die crack is there from here to here, and one more die crack is there. 3 die crack total. First strike plus 3 die crack and mild Lucky type uniface, only for 3000 rupees. Very good error that is. Half rupees 1934 Calcutta Mint single mint coin. This is 1200. 1943 UNC condition, half rupees, Lahore Mint 2000. 1944 Lahore Mint UNC condition 1400 with a mild rotation. Lahore Mint is not easily available, and that also in UNC condition. UNC condition 1945 Lahore Mint 1400. Quarter rupee 1940 Mumbai Mint UNC 700. Half rupees 39 Mumbai Mint 1400, mild rotation also there. 1944 Lahore Mint UNC condition 1 rupee for 1400. 1945 UNC Lahore Mint 1600. Very scarce coin. I told you Lahore Mint is not available easily in UNC condition. This is a large head 43, very scarce head variety, only for 2000. 43 only, very scarce coin plus large head. 1943 Mumbai Mint UNC condition 1800. Mahatma Gandhi UNC condition Calcutta Mint, only 1 lakh mintage, only for 2200. 1990 Mumbai Mint UNC condition, half rupee, only for 2000. Some 50 paise. 62 Mumbai Mint 200. 62 Calcutta Mint 200. 63 Mumbai Mint 200. 68 Mumbai Mint 200. 69 Mumbai Mint 200. 67 Mumbai Mint 300. Quarter rupee 1940 Calcutta Mint UNC condition 700. Quarter rupee 42 Calcutta Mint single mint coin UNC 800. Quarter rupee 43 Calcutta Mint UNC, I think this is 800. I didn't write the price. 43 Calcutta Mint, I think 800. 38 half rupees rare coin AUNC to UNC type condition. AUNC to UNC in between, only for 2800. half rupee 1933 Calcutta Mint single mint coin. 1200 1940 Mumbai Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 1200. 41 Mumbai Mint UNC condition, 1200. A UNC condition, 1909 Mumbai Mint, rare coin this is, 3000. Far legend, divided legend you can say, they say far legend also. 1840 UNC condition, 1 rupee, Victoria Queen for 2800. 1835 Mumbai Mint William IV, 4500, 1 rupee. See the clear legends, see all the details are very clear, you can check. Main comes in the ears, you can see here, clear ear you can see. Otherwise you can see the coins ears are all worn out. See here all the clear details are there. 1 rupee. This I am giving it in old rate, 4500. There is a lion variety I have. This is the Basveshwar, Mahatma Basveshwar Mumbai Mint BU set. One is semicircle, I'll show you. This is 52 semicircle, this is a 51 semicircle. This is a rare coin. Okay, and this has a clip error. See here, one small clip error is there. You can check here, clip error. This is a clip error. Like that curve clip is there, curve clip. And this is a 51 semicircle. 51 semicircle is rare plus with the error. Okay, this is for only 1000 rupees. BU condition. Another lion set is there. Sorry, not lion set. This is actually mule coin, 1 rupee 62. This is first time I am showing you all. This is a 62 Calcutta Mint lion side mule. This is, I'll show you. See this India is written here normal, right? You can see here it has a sheriff. Check the A, India, you can see. 1 second, I'll show me the pencil here. You see here on the A, I'll call this as a feet. See the A feet, it has a sheriffs. It's called sheriffs. Even I and D all have a sheriffs. I also have a sheriffs. Okay, now you check and check here. This doesn't have any sheriffs. Check the A ka feet. A feet. This is called sheriffs. When we have this type of feet, this is called sheriffs. This doesn't have. So this die only different die. This mule die is a different die. This is from the proof set. This is the pattern coin. I'll show you here. This is the pattern coin die. I'll show you in the phone, 1 minute. This is the not the proof set. My mistake, I said proof set. This is a pattern coin. You can see this. This is the pattern coin 1960 Mumbai Mint. Check all this. Okay, here I was talking about this. Yes, you can see this A. On the A you can see, and the whole die is different. So same here you can see here this. Trying to see. You can see. See this. This is the same die used on this circulation coin. This same die used on this circulation coin. This is a mule coin. Okay, this is only for 2500 rupees. And this is a British India. This is NGS graded, but this is old grading, MS60 1921. MS60 plus. Check. Only for 7500 rupees. Actually, I had gone to exhibition and I asked someone how much. They told me 16,000 rupees, graded one. But that is a new grading. But this one is a old grading. Only for 7500 rupees. This is a old grading. And one 1938 is there, extra fine condition, extra fine 45. You can see AUNC also, you can see the mild luster also there. This is also old grading. This is only for 3000 rupees. And I have this one lot, extra fine to AUNC condition. This is a Kolkata Mint, Agri Expo, Kolkata Mint Youth Year, then Small Family Mumbai Mint, Noida Mint Shivaji Maharaj, Hyderabad Mint Food for Future, and many more. And Bee Lion, Chitrandana Das, 4-5 Bee Lions are there. Here you can see these all Bee Lion. And Shastri Ji is there. Many coins are there, rare coins, very scarce coins are there. Total 30 coins are there, only for 1500 rupees. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.